Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nacho Libre in Wrestling Empire. Open Character Creator, select Male Base, then adjust sliders for chunky torso, short legs, and rounded cheeks to match the iconic look. Choose a high-contrast skin tone, then add a small mustache and thick eyebrows. Swap hairstyle to short and simple. For outfit, pick bright colors and a cape if available to capture the playful, heroic vibe. Start by increasing strength and speed so your Nacho can hit hard and move fast in the ring, then keep stamina balanced to avoid constant fatigue. Pick a moveset that mixes lucha agility with brawler power, focusing on suplexes, slams, and fast strikes. Add a few comedic taunts and a signature high-flying finisher that suits the goofy hero persona while still being reliable in tight matches. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is my pick for staying tidy after chaotic wrestling sessions because it handles crumbs and confetti with smart mapping and voice control. It's a nice time saver and worth checking out. Look in the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. Fine-tune the costume with bold colors and a small cape or towel to sell the look. Then pick chunky boots and a simple mask that leaves the mouth exposed. Keep tattoos and scars minimal to preserve the fun, wholesome image. For entrance, choreograph a short routine with energetic poses, a playful stride, and one exaggerated flex to get the crowd cheering, and set the tone for lighthearted but competitive matches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.